Alright, welcome MegaWhale team to another video. We're just going to take a look at Bitcoin on the daily and the 12-hour chart. Sorry if I sound a little tired. I've been up for hours and hours. I haven't really slept much for the last 7 days. I've been analysing the market a fair bit. And it's getting quite late here in Brisbane, so we're just going to keep this one nice and short and sharp. But essentially we're just looking at this descending channel we're in at the moment. Now a descending channel is inherently a bullish reversal pattern. So we are expecting some sort of bounce or move upwards once we do break this horizontal downward resistance. When that is going to happen, we do expect it to be happening around the 13th to 15th of January. Now there are two possible scenarios. The first scenario is we reject off that 42,500 now resistance zone and drop into the low $40,000 region, which is here, and then move sideways and break that horizontal resistance. Or the second option, second possibility, is we push sideways now up into around the 14th or 15th and break that resistance then and push up. So obviously as we stay in a descending channel, the price can continue to range downwards, and that is why we do expect a second possibility of that drop down to 40,000. But keep in mind, the bullish reversal will come. It will be a bounce. I do not believe the bounce will be strong enough to propel us over that $48,500 trigger or over that $53,000 resistance. This is the key resistance we need to break to get back into a bull market and back into an uptrend. I think the bounce is going to be more of a dead cat bounce, propelling us a little bit underneath that $48,000 trigger line, into this resistance range between 45,000 and 46,000 before heading back down and creating new lows and testing and falling below that $40,000 range. Obviously when we get up to that point, we'll have to do another analysis just to double check, just to make sure everything's going according to plan. But for now, just a little update to show you guys what's possibly going to happen in the short term in the next 2 weeks of Bitcoin. Obviously we have had a significant drop in the last few days. It's quite unlikely that we continue at this rate downwards. Generally markets kind of like stepping stone down. They go down a bunch, up a little bit, down a bunch, up and down like that. So we do expect a little bit of a bounce within at least the next 2 weeks. Alright guys, that is it for the video today. I just wanted to keep it nice and short and sharp. Like I said, I'm quite tired, but I did want to get this video out before I went to sleep. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. You can like and subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome, and our links to our Twitter and our Telegram are in the description. I will see you in the next video.